Hello and welcome to Food Slide. Today we're going to make a fabulous side dish known as Petit, Pois, Flamande. We need some mint, green peas, carrots, and garlic with this. What we have done here is cut chiffonades of the mint, chop the garlic, and dices of the carrots. Peas have to be used as it is. So in a pan, we have put water for boiling. Along with this water, I'm adding the vegetables and a pinch of salt. We are going to boil this for roughly 5 minutes and then we are going to strain this out and keep it aside. What I've done here is taken a pan to which I've added oil. You can use olive oil or you can only cook this in completely butter, up to you. And I'm waiting for the butter to melt down, and once it does, I'm going to add the chopped garlic. Remember, you don't have to brown the garlic here, just to saute the garlic for a minute or so in low flame. And then I've added the vegetables along with the butter, and I'm going to toss it in the butter. And once the vegetable has been tossed nicely, it's time to season the vegetables. I'm adding here some crushed peppercorn, and along with the crushed peppercorn I'm adding the castor sugar. Now this gives this dish a unique taste, a unique sweetness, and a pinch of salt. Now I'm going to toss it nice so the seasoning is mixed nicely in the peas and the carrot. In the end, I'm going to add mint, which I've cut into chiffonades. By the addition of mint, this dish gets a very refreshing and sweet taste. Here we are ready to present our dish. This is a very fantastic side dish which can be served along with chicken, beef, lamb, or fish. Whatever choice you want to serve this along with. So here it is. I hope you liked today's video. Thanks for watching Food Slide. Have a good day.